So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and set any song as a ringtone on your particular Android phone. Now, number one, you have to keep in mind that the song itself has to fit a particular, like requirement. It has to be an MP3, MF4, M4A, or WAV file, and it has to be within like 30 to 45 seconds. So make sure it's not like a 10-minute long song. It has to be within like a 30-second range. When you're ready, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings application. So hop right into settings, and where we're going to go is we're going to go down to like a little area which might say something like sounds and vibration or sounds, whatever your Android phone has, and you want to tap on it. Next up, we want to go ahead and click on the ringtone option that basically comes up. Tap on ringtone, and then we're going to be able to come into this particular area. Now, there's a lot of different things that you can basically choose from right over here. Now, there should be a little option that allows you to go ahead and bring in a particular song or ringtone. It looks like there's a little plus button up here. So let's see what happens when we tap on plus. It allows us to open up this like sound picker. So we can go through and allow sound picker to basically give access here. And we can go ahead and choose a song. It looks like we have the option to choose folders. And we can go through and see that our songs are basically placed inside of this folder. So we can copy and paste our songs into this folder if our phone chooses to do it this way. Or what we can do is we can also go through and choose a different one if we have certain tracks or certain other ones we can do it. I guess we can click on search, and we can also search for songs that we've already brought in. So each phone is a little different, but find the particular folder, add in the songs to that folder structure, and that's basically all you're going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.